nyakora mgajuang waridre nyaka edhowad nam chumbi kama riwruok mar jodolo mag Islam kaachiel gi jodolo mamoko e bwo riwruok mar CIPK dwaro ni kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance owe ng'anyo kaka yo mar chiwo luor ne dwe maler mar Ramadhan machakore jumani. Kane giloso e boma Mombasa, jotend din Islam go olero ni ng'anyo no kar mondo mitanti mekamano to twak obedi e kind piny owacho gi kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance.
Hivi sasa tunaelekea katika mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani ambao kwamba ni matarajio yetu kati ya Alhamisi na Ijumaa tukawa katika mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani. Mwenyezi Mungu mwenyewe mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani anawafunga mashetani wote na maibilisi ili binadamu waweze kufanya ibada bila ya tashwishi yoyote. Kwa hivyo tunatoa mwito kwa wale waandalizi wa maandamano kwamba waheshimu mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani.
There must be a better way to approach the problems through proper approach and dialogue instead of resorting to jungle law, thereby hurting people and our country's economy, which is counterproductive. We must therefore not be swayed to follow a path that will take us backwards instead of advancing forward. We urge all those antagonists who have followed the violent path to go back to the drawing board and put the lives of Kenyans above self-interest.
Enda kaprayo kadari nyakora mgajuang e chendo ni mardu